I'm Kirk Thorne with Roseville Buick GMC. Today we'll take a look at how to connect Apple CarPlay to your brand new GMC vehicle. To get started connecting your iPhone to the wireless Apple CarPlay in your GMC vehicle, all you have to do is on your home screen, go to Apple CarPlay, and it will bring up the option to connect your phone. As soon as you hit that, on your iPhone, you go to Bluetooth settings. It will come down on the Bluetooth settings as My GMC. You click My GMC and you click Pair on your phone and Pair in the vehicle, and then like that, after you hit Allow, your phone will connect right to your GMC vehicle. Hopefully you were able to get your phone connected to your brand new GMC vehicle. If you have any questions, please reach out to us on our website or call in. Thank you very much.